Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am showing you this quick tutorial on this eye look that you see right here. I only did my eyes because I had already had my face on today. I did things today, so that required me to do my makeup, so I just didn't want to take off my entire face and then do a tutorial, but I want to keep these going because I have a lot of great ideas that I want to get through, and hopefully I come up with more ideas so I don't burn out. But yeah, this is like fancy sparkles, rose gold sparkles. I use the Stila Magnificent Metals thing and my chocolate bar palette from Too Faced. And if you want to keep watching to see how I got this eye look today, keep on watching because I'm going to show you. Today I am taking my Too Faced chocolate bar palette. Mine broke, so I don't have like the lid on it. Like I have the lid, but it's not on. I am going to go into the shade Salted Caramel. It's this brown right here. I'm going to put that in my crease. Next, I am going to be taking the shade Semi-Sweet. I'm going to be deepening up the crease. Next, I am going to be taking up the shade Triple Fudge and putting that in my outer V. I'm just going to take a big fluffy brush and blend those out. I'm going to be taking this Stila Magnificent Metals eyeshadow thing, and this is Rose Gold Retro. I'm just going to take that and put it on my eyelid. I'm going to go back in with that dark brown shadow and blend that in with the sides. For eyeliner, I'm taking my Wet n Wild waterproof eyeliner. To finish off the eyes, I'm taking Semi-Sweet, the shade right here, and putting that underneath my eyes. For my highlight shade, I am taking the shade Champagne Truffle and just highlighting my brow bone with that. Okay guys, this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, whatever you want to do. I hope you guys liked that I only did my eyes. I mean, I already had my face on in the beginning. That's because I did things today, but whatever. Yeah. Peace out, Girl Scout. Catch you later.